guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Leanne. Now today, as you saw from the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you how to create a very simple 3D web look. I will be demonstrating this technique along my eye. You can relocate it anywhere you would like. You can just kind of use the tips and tricks I show you in this video. I do just want to say that this is the worst liner ever. I did try to film this video yesterday, but a couple things went wrong. This is the main thing I have to use for it, and it sucks. So this is the Essence eyeliner pen in number 2 white. I don't recommend this line. I don't recommend this line in general. I've tried the black one and I didn't really like it. It's because I don't like the tip, how thick it is. It was very affordable and I don't want to use white eyeliner often, so I didn't want to pay like 10 bucks for a liner that I'm probably never going to use again. However, if you are someone who really wants this to come out very well, I highly recommend you to try the NYX liners. Application process of it I don't like, but the pigmentation is lackluster. It's not super bright white. I just want to show you kind of how to create the design. Obviously use better products. Yes, I do have these little like googly eye things on my head. You're probably not going to see it throughout the video because I'm going to be very zoomed in to show you how I'm doing it, especially because it's not right. You really need to close to see it. Let's just start with this video. Contacts. So now my contacts are in. You can do this technique with any makeup. I'm just going to go for a very simple eyeshadow look. For my primer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just because since I am going for a very simplistic eyeshadow look where basically it's not really there, I really want to make sure it's a clean slate so my veins don't distract from the webs. Even though that could be a good Halloween look. No primer. Primed. Shadow off. Shadow on. Nothing too crazy because like I said, I want to focus on the web design. Let's zoom in. So now we're up close and personal. I do not have eyebrows on yet because I might end up refilming this if I don't like how it's going. I'm gonna go ahead and do winged eyeliner. I'm the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. No liner, liner on. So I went ahead and did my little wings. They're not perfect, but that is not the focus of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and start using the Essence eyeliner. Once again, just want to disclose, do not recommend this eyeliner. It's not overly complicated. It's literally what you're just seeing. You kind of just draw little lines. You place them how you want. You put how many you want. Thickness, everything is your preference. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some definition with shadows. So I'm going to go back to my Violet Voss palette and this very tiny like pointy eyeliner brush. And I'm going to try to get cool tones. So I'm going to use the shade Motivate because it's kind of like a grayish brown. I'm gonna start with the shadows. I think that it's pretty lifted, so to speak, very 3D so far. You can also add more, add less. Here is how I'm gonna do my final illusion of it being lifted. So I'm gonna go in with this little NYX glitter liner in crystal silver. Basically, I'm gonna even apply this in little areas on top of the white every once in a while to kind of cause like a reflection, so to speak, kind of like when the sun hits it. Like think about SpiderWeb, like when the water droplets get on it, just like that kind of illusion. You can go ahead and put all on the white or not at all. You don't have to, you can stop here. I think this looks great. I'm just gonna add a little bit more definition to it with this. So I'm gonna stop with the glitter there. As you can see, it just kind of creates more of something to the whole web. Quickly just do a little bit of an eyebrow and then that'll be the end. Okay, and this is the completed look. A little web design, and like I said earlier in the video, you can obviously place the web wherever you like. It's just trying to show you some tips and tricks, I suppose. Also, I hope you guys are excited for Halloween season and little tutorials like this. If you guys were curious as to what lip color I was wearing, this is Too Faced Melted Matte in Lady Balls. It is one of the best red lipsticks ever. As well, I just really like this line. I have a whole bunch from this line. That is all. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up, as well as click that beautiful subscribe button down below to become a part of this family. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, excited about this spooky season. It's spooky season! It's a spooky season. It's a spooky